Welcome to BDD, your partner for accelerated drug product development. Through our streamlined lean clinical development pathway, we are redefining early stage development. Lean clinical development integrates formulation development, just-in-time GMP manufacturing, and phase 1 clinical trials. BDD streamline every step to bring your pharmaceutical innovations to life efficiently and effectively. BDD has more than 25 years' experience in drug delivery, developing advanced formulations to optimize therapeutic outcomes. Our expert formulation team craft bespoke solutions, optimizing product performance for maximum therapeutic impact. Avoid overproduction with no minimum volume, cost-effective, rapid GMP manufacturing of small batches of clinical trial supplies, and matching placebo for early stage clinical trials. Our formulation and GMP manufacture are seamlessly integrated with our class-leading clinical trial services. BDD have been conducting phase 1 clinical studies for more than 25 years. With industry-leading recruitment rates and integrated CRO and site service, BDD's processes are designed to accelerate the clinical pathway, reducing costs for our partners. By unifying formulation, manufacturing, and clinical testing, we reduce waste, save valuable time, and minimize costs. There is no faster, easier, and more reliable way to advance your project than with BDD and lean clinical development. BDD, redefining early stage development.